Hi everybody, this is Craft Queen Ivy, and this is part of our flower crown series. After you've completed the chain and you've ensured that it is long enough to comfortably go around your head, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to finish that and create a loop. So right now we have just a straight chain and both ends are not connected. You can see I have the last chain still on my hook here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the hook with the last chain attached into the very first loop, like so. I am then going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops just like you would with a single crochet stitch. Now you have a connected loop here to create that base of your crown. So now I'm going to show you how to finish the stitches. What you're going to do is you're going to cut the tail that's attached to the ball. You want to leave a little bit of a long tail here so you can weave it in. Just go ahead and cut that. And then you're just going to yarn over with your cut tail. Oh, sorry. And pull through that very last loop there that's on your hook. And then you just pull it tight. And there you go. You now have an attached flower crown like so. And we'll go ahead and weave in these ends with a darning needle and then cut them off and it will be perfect. And then you can attach your flowers next.